In this video, I will demonstrate how to access a non-scheduled route or ad hoc route and add customers to it. This will be used when you are asked to go to a customer or multiple customers on a day that you would normally not run. Before we go into those details, and as you are walking through your first door, you must clock into Encompass and sync your device. You are paid by Schwann's from your first stop to your last stop. I have already completed this process and am ready to start my non-scheduled route. You do not have to do anything special to access a plan within Encompass for a non-scheduled route day. It's as simple as tapping onto My Day and adding customers you are planning on visiting. You will want to make sure, though, that you add those customers only when you are walking through the doors of the store. Let's tap on My Day, and you will notice the 4 events that are already pre-populated within your non-scheduled route day. They are the merchandiser meal and break, additional payroll submittal, and the merchandiser end of day. These will always be available regardless if you are running a scheduled or non-scheduled route day. Take a look at the map mile view and you will notice that you have 0 miles calculated for your route day. This is expected. After you entered, completed, and synced your second store, your mileage will update. Before you start physically merchandising the customer, you must add that customer to your route to start your service time. Under the 4 pre-populated events, tap on the blue plus button at the bottom of your screen. Since you need to add a customer, add customer visit. You'll be directed into a customer search screen. You have 2 different ways to find a customer. For our first option, we will use a magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner. Enter in the customer number in the search bar and tap Search on Server. In our example, we are going to search for Walmart 2592. Tap Search on Server, and the only option that will come up will be Walmart 2592. Tap on that customer, and then hit Download Customers at the bottom of your screen. And this will create an event for your plan, but you must specify what type of event you are completing and also mark the time and day you are entering that event. Tap into the activity and select Merchandise. After this, you will need to adjust your time. Use the scroll time to complete this step. When you are finished with your scroll time and adding your start or end time, click the checkmark button in the upper right-hand corner. You will immediately be brought into the Walmart 2592 customer event, where you can start your first merchandising tasks. I will complete all of these tasks to turn them blue very quickly so that we can move on. You see, all of my tasks are now blue and I'm ready to exit the store and end my service time. Tap the back arrow to return to your plan. You will see Walmart and all 3 tasks that we just completed are blue. After I've driven to my next store and as I'm walking through the doors, I need to add my second customer. Tap again on the blue plus button on the bottom of your screen and choose Customer Visit. As a reminder, this will sequence the customer to the current time and make capturing miles very easy. For this demonstration, though, I will use the second way to find a customer to add them to my plan using the Search on Server. Tap on that. A customer list from the master depot I am tied to will appear here. Scroll to locate the customer store you are currently in and tap on that customer. Then click Download Customers in the bottom. You will then need to tap on that Albertsons 3206 customer to create the event. Now that we're in the event, we need to add the activity. Tap on Activity and choose the plus merchandising. Then you will need to edit your start time if needed and click the checkmark box in the upper right-hand corner. You will be taken directly into the customer event. Complete all 3 tasks to turn them blue and to complete that event. I will quickly complete these and then hit the back arrow to return to my route day. As we enter the plan again, notice that the map miles has jumped from 0 miles to 21.6 miles. If I've completed my 2 stops for the day and did not need to take a meal or break, you will need to leave the merchandiser meal and break events alone. If I had to submit miles or hours for payroll for a past day, I would enter the additional payroll submittal event. Since this is not the case, I will not need to complete any of those events. This is the last event on my route before I would hit the merchandiser end of day. Enter into the merchandiser end of day event. You will notice you will have all 3 same tasks that you would on a normal scheduled route day: post-trip for sales merchandising, merchandiser daily hours worked, and also the sync device prompt. Complete all 3 of these tasks to turn them blue and finish the route day. All 3 merchandiser tasks are completed with my end of day. I have successfully added a non-scheduled route day, added 2 stores, and completed my end of day. The next step would be finish my route by completing a full sync and clocking out for the day. This completes the training on how to add a non-scheduled route and add customers to it.